Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is out with many new AI features, thanks to One UI 7. So, the big question is when this update will be available for Galaxy S24, S23, and S22 users. According to this information on Samsung's website, the official One UI 7 update will be available with the launch of Galaxy S25, which is expected to start from February 7th. And you might be thinking, isn't Galaxy S25 already out? No, that's different from the actual launch, which is taking place on February 7th next few days. Once again, this update will be first available in Korea and the USA. If Samsung is right about this information on their website, with other countries and carriers getting this update later on after a few days, right now One UI 7 beta program has ended, which was kind of short with only 3 beta updates. Beta 3 has a lot of bugs. For example, it often lags, and wireless Samsung data on my Galaxy S24 is also not working. Samsung will first push out stable One UI 7 to these beta testers. So if I go to software update section in settings, there is no update available here. I'll keep you guys updated whenever this final update for beta testers is out. February 7th release date does not mean every model will get this update. Only Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, Galaxy S24 Ultra with Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will get this update. After 10 to 15 days we can expect Galaxy S23 to start getting this update, and after that Galaxy S22 will finally get this update. S21 will also get this update, and it's the last major update Galaxy S21 will be getting. That's according to Samsung. I know a lot of you people are really waiting for this update. Let me know in the comment section which Galaxy phone you have right now. I hope we can raise our voices to Samsung for quick access. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.